Hello there, this is Farhana. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how DALL-E 2 work. In case if you don't know what is DALL-E, so DALL-E is an open AI which generates images using artificial intelligence. So what does that mean? It means that every image you are currently seeing did not exist prior to when they were generated. It's basically a giant brain that uses the whole of the internet to create unique images within 20 seconds. The concept is simple. Input your information and wait the system, then renders variation of the image you requested. For instance, I am logging in for the first time for the demonstration purpose, just to see and just to show you how DALL-E 2 works. So I'm there. Then I log in to the website, and I'm going to use my Google account. For the first time use, I can use Google or Microsoft account. So here it tells me the welcome message. Then it tells me that I have 50 free credit for the first time in the first month, and every month I'm going to get 15 free credit, which is good for testing the app, right? So now I'm here. I am, I can see a lot of interesting images which has been generated by other people in the past. There are some the published one, and it looks very pretty cool, right? So let me think what I am going to generate today. I'm just trying to be nice and funny. I'm thinking to create a logo, a new logo for my website, fct.com. So I just came here and I start thinking a unicorn with pink hairband with blue background and one tree with red flower, having a FS text on the top right in green color. Let's see how it shows. What DALL-E 2 gave me with this description. I'm going pretty fast. It took me 2 minutes to generate this image, and here it is. So, okay, so I think it understand a little bit, but the FS text, it did not get it, it seems. So I'm going to do some changes in my image. I'm going to edit and remove the text and regenerating again. So this will remove the text. So I can edit my image, the generated one from DALL-E 2, according to my wish for the variation. So here it's going to remove the text, and then this is the pink unicorn with blue hairband. Sorry, a unicorn with pink hairband with blue background and the one tree in the. So you see that, the description, what I have given versus the image is created, it's not very, I would say, accurate. Probably the description I have given first time, it was not very user friendly for DALL-E. So let's try something else. I can use my own picture and then see if I can do some changes in it. So, okay, so I am going to import my image, and I'm going to change the background to something else because background is quite plain. So I'm going to change it with green color and red flower painting. So let's see in this frame how it is going to display. And it looks pretty cool. Okay, so I can accept this change if I like it. If I do not like it, then I'm going to do some changes over there, and let's see if I can get a cat in the background, a white cat with the blue eyes. So let's see. So I selected the frame, and then I apply the changes. Click on generate, and it looks pretty cool. A white cat in the background with green color eyes. So it's really amazing. I like it. And it looks quite similar to my pet Toffee. Okay, excellent. So I am satisfied with this change. So I'm going to accept it and save, publish, or export to my computer. Now let's see, I want to remove my glasses because I don't like the glasses in my picture. So I'm going to remove it. So I'm saying that, keep this change and remove my glasses. Let's see how it shows. Oops, it really ruined the face. Okay, so it's very disgusting. I'm going to undo this change and I will keep the original face. All right. So, I mean, so far I am not 100%, getting the results, but let's see what is next. So next, I'm saying that cat food and toys in the background. Oh my God, what it is. It's not really look like cat food and toys. So let me cancel it instead of accepting. Okay, so now I'm trying a penguin in ice moon with a blue color head. Let's see. Oh, this is really cool. So I'm going to select one which I really like it. And then I'm going to change a little bit variation. I'm saying that I want a green eyes. So I select it, then I change to green eyes. And there you go. It's nice. It is unlikely that DALL-E 2 is going to give you the results you want the first time. You might have to edit images by writing new prompts or specific elements within them, and there are something that may just be impossible to correct in DALL-E 2. There may be unwanted artifacts in images, and like all AI art generators, DALL-E 2 can struggle with human faces and bodies. To improve images created in DALL-E 2, you may need to export them and then edit them in more traditional images editing software like Photoshop. For example, you can fix wonky eyes using Photoshop's neural filters. Overall, it turned out pretty cool. This one as well is probably one of my favorite tool right there. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. It means a lot, and subscribe if you are new here and you want to see more. And I will see you in the next one.